We were burned by someone who did our ads before we actually spent hundreds of thousands of dollars in ads, and we didn't see anything from it. And so it's been a few years, and I was nervous that it's just another company that you just never know what you're going to get. I've never had a company address ads the way that they did. They start things off slowly, and you build one thing at a time before you jump into the huge ads. So that was our problem in the past. And so having them walk it step by step made me realize, like, okay, the ads incubator was an amazing experience. I came in here with very low expectations, and I'll tell you what, like, I have learned so much. Every time the day would end, I would jump on the phone call with my business partners, with my sisters, and just tell them everything that happened that day, because I was so excited about all the things I had learned and the experiences that I had. So all in all, I would say huge, huge success. I have loved every minute of this. It's been 3 days of a lot of hard work, walking out the door. I am so excited. I'm so excited to see what is next. We have been wanting to do this, the next step of ads, for about 5 years, and I finally have the tools in place that I can do that. I would highly, highly recommend the Ads Incubator, especially if you don't know anything about ads. You've got to start somewhere, and you have to do it right. So these guys know what they're doing, and I've loved it.